In global medical science, data is constantly flowing between major research hubs. But if you map out these streams, you'll find blind spots, entire regions completely bypassed by the international academic network. When localized public health data from developing areas goes undocumented, the global picture remains fractured. Local doctors and policymakers are forced to make decisions without rigorous, peer-reviewed evidence tailored to their own communities. Look at this panoramic view of Tbilisi. Georgia possesses a rich medical ecosystem and critical data on regional health challenges, yet it has historically lacked a direct channel to project that knowledge onto the global stage. There is a clear structural gap. We need a way to link on-the-ground regional health insights directly into the international scientific record. That gap became the primary focus of a major academic gathering in October 2025. Here in the dense urban center of Tbilisi, academic leaders and representatives from medical schools across the region convened for the Autumn Council meeting of the European Union of Medical Specialists. During the summit, experts, including Professor Georgi Pkakazade, reached a firm consensus. Georgia required its own independent, modern academic publishing platform, one built specifically to meet international standards. That realization drove the creation of the Georgian Medical Journal, an effort to light up this geographic node and push local voices into the broader network. Establishing a modern scientific journal requires building robust digital infrastructure. Every article needs a permanent digital footprint, solved by integrating cross-ref DOIs and secure Zenodo archiving. They also applied an open-access Creative Commons license, ensuring anyone can read and share research without a paywall. These technical requirements guarantee that Georgian research is instantly accessible and perfectly interoperable with the rest of the global scientific community. Even with the platform built, early career researchers often face a severe economic hurdle. High submission and processing fees regularly stop good science from ever seeing publication. To solve this, the journal committed to completely waiving all publication fees during its initial years of operation. Lowering financial barriers requires raising structural support. The editorial team built a comprehensive author toolkit to carefully guide new writers through the strict formatting rules of academic publishing. A lack of fees does not mean a lack of rigorous standards. The journal enforces strict plagiarism policies and a thorough peer review process for every single submission. By combining free access with heavy editorial guidance, the platform effectively opens the door for a new generation of Georgian scientists to publish verified work. This image shows an international assembly where global health policies are debated. The journal connects to these discussions through its Global Health Accountability platform. Enforcing international standards requires precise evidence. You can't hold health systems accountable without localized clinical data to back metrics up. By capturing and verifying this specific Georgian data, the journal feeds directly into broader international health initiatives, giving policymakers the exact evidence they need to measure progress. Following intense technical preparation, the first official issue of the Georgian Medical Journal launched in early 2026. The immediate focus is securing institutional validation. Applications are in progress for the Directory of Open Access Journals and the World Association of Medical Editors. The timeline extends toward aggressive 2027 goals, full integration into global databases like Scopus, Web of Science, and PubMed Central. Achieving those indexing milestones will permanently embed this localized research into the daily search results and literature reviews of scientists worldwide. Ultimately, the journal functions as an active engine for evidence-based medicine, processing raw research into a verified format that clinicians and policymakers can actually use. It serves a dual purpose, driving informed, data-backed health policy within the borders of Georgia, while supplying the global scientific community with crucial, previously missing context. By constructing a rigorous, barrier-free, and globally compliant platform, the journal ensures the scientific voice of Georgian medicine is finally broadcasting loud and clear.